Hello. This video will walk us through the steps to download the AverTouch software for the document camera model Aver M118M. One of the things you're going to have to do is go to the link to launch the software, and it will bring us to the Aver website and directly to the area where we will find the download. I will need to scroll down just a bit to see the tabs. You'll see three tabs: the video tab, the download tab, and the knowledge base tab. Today we're going to need the download tab, so please click the download. And you may have to scroll down just a bit more to get that information. So there's instruction manuals up here, but we really are going after the software for the AverTouch today. So you'll notice that we have a choice of Windows or Mac. Today we are going to do the Windows download version because we are on a Windows machine. And this first version, AverTouch, whatever version, it may change by the time you view this video, but whatever version is right here up on top is the one you want to download. If you'd like to read about the release notes on that download, you certainly are welcome to go ahead and download the release notes and so forth. But today, let's hit that AverTouch. It's going to download, and you notice on my screen it goes right to the download folder, but it's going to take a couple minutes. Once that finishes downloading, it will launch itself. If for some reason it does not automatically launch on your device, you can find the download in your downloads folder. In my case, it's asking if I want to allow this app to make changes. Yes, I do want that software to be added to my device. And so then we have the whole install preparation going through those steps. Just go ahead and follow the directions as they go through. It's pretty easy. You should just be able to sit back and answer a few questions. I'm just going to click on Next. I will accept this license agreement, and you may scroll to read that if you wish, and hit Next. I'm allowing the machine to put it in a default location so that it's easy enough for it to launch and find when I'm ready to use it. And we will wait for the files to be installed. You should get a message at the end if it's been installed successfully, or if there are issues, you will get another message too. If you do get another message, you could that it has not installed properly, either try to install one more time, then contact your building technician. And I'm going to click Finish to wrap this up. And you will notice that you have an icon on your desktop area that indicates you have successfully installed your AverTouch. So that's a quick rundown of how to install your AverTouch software onto your Windows device.